What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Ray, aka Lil Ray TV, and we feeling a little better than the original week. But what's good? We back with another video. This right here should be a quick video because this shoe is a brick, and I'm literally gonna return it to Nike. But just to put it on the channel, I guess, for some small content. Let's just get right to it. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, as well as comment. I respond to all my comments, as well as like the video, share the video. Let's get more people to join the squad. Shoot. Yeah, let's get right into it. I don't want to waste your time, just like I don't want to waste mine. So let's get right into it. Main channel, Instagram. Check those links down below in the description, and let's get right into the video. All right, so off rip, like say last week or so when they dropped a lot of dunks restocked on the Panthers, and a couple new dunks they dropped, kids version, men's, and all that stuff. These was one of the dunks that I thought would have at least some resale value, but it did not. So whatever, size 5.5. This shoe, they call it the Black Mint Foam Light Photo Blue. Let's look at the exact selling. Let me see. This is a long ass title. That's how you know it should not sell. It's literally called Black Light Photo Blue Active Pink Mint Foam. Who makes a long ass name like that? Now I will get into the stuff that I kind of like, but this shoe is beyond a break. Jesus Christmas. This is terrible. Nobody wants this shoe at all. And I'm about to return it my damn self. How much did I pay for this on Nike? I think it was $85 or $95. Let's check it. Trust me, if I'm wasting time, it's literally because you guys don't want to see this shoe. Just like I wish I didn't have it. $95, and yeah, this is going right back. $100 back to my account this week. Yeah, let's get right into it. I don't think there's no difference in this shoe, is there? I don't think so. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna show both shoes. Cool. Let's get into that one shoe. I do want to review it for you guys just in case, hey, people's out there and you might like this shoe. Now, to be honest, I think the bottom had potential, but the more I look at it, it's kind of ugly as shit. It looks like cement with a whole bunch of party favors in there. Look at all that cement colorway. It looks like confetti. That's all over the place, right? Cool. The little tail green, the black and blue had potential. Pretty cool, pretty calm. Let's get that quick thumbnail real quick. Boom. Quick thumbnail. I do like the little black, the back. I was gonna say black. The little back. Like I said, I don't know why they made the heel the same color as the bottom. But that's saying Nike with the little, it looks like a sticker patching, but it's not sticker. Obviously, it's embroidered in there, and it feels like sticker font. But pretty cool with the little purple black. Had potential. Like I said, this shoe had potential. I literally don't know who the fuck came up with this at all. Then have the bottom same colorway on the tongue. The ugly shit, so stiff because I went on ties. But you can see the color from the bottom and the tongue goes all the way down. But obviously I can't take it out. White laces to top it off, to dirty it. Should have just put black, or I don't fucking know. But this shoe is terrible. Had potential, but I guess not. And as resellers, you know we go for everything just in case. But damn, it's not even worth $1 over retail. But at least I got a free shipping box from Nike. So literally, this shoe is ugly, but who knows? This is literally a quick little video to wrap up. Let me know what you guys think of these. Did you grab them when they dropped like last week or so? Or did you pass? Do you agree the shoe had potential? Let me know in the comments. At least one person could think they like these, or maybe not. Either way, I'm sending these shits right back to the Nike outlet. Just wanted to show you guys this little shoe. Pretty cool, I guess. But I don't know who came up with this idea, and I'm not gonna go look for it, so it's a little quick content video for you guys on the channel. I have more videos coming this week, obviously. I'm just here to provide some little content for you guys. Either way, see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Leave your comments what you think about these dunks. And see you guys on the next video. Like I said, ladies, hit that Instagram. It's always available. And as well as everyone else, go check out that main channel. Those 2 links will be down below in the description. So your boy Little Roy is out, and go support those links. Peace out.